Hello, Year 11. I hope you're all safe and well home. I wanted to take a couple of minutes this morning to go through and outline some plans for you for the remainder of the term. And I wanted to say well done to you for your efforts so far these first couple of weeks of the term. Well done, Year 11, for your attendance and your effort to live lessons so far. The attendance statistics have been great, 95% and above of students attending live lessons every day. The ones and twos on the register from the class teachers have been absolutely brilliant. 98.9, something like that, percentage of students getting ones and twos and above on the register, and that is absolutely fantastic. So a big pat on the back to you, Year 11. You are doing amazing in your live lessons, so let's keep that up, let's keep that going. Moving forward for the rest of the term, Year 11, I think it's really important that you understand and you have an outline of what's going to be happening. As you know, the Department for Education and Ofqual are currently consulting on what teacher-led assessments and what assessments in general will look like for you for your Year 11 cohort this summer. In the meantime, it is of course business as usual. We have to be providing that high quality and high standard of work. So when we are coming through those teacher-led assessments, the evidence is available and there for you. So you must continue to work at that high level that you have consistently been working at. And with that in mind, we are going to run a series of rehearsal examinations for you week beginning the 8th of March onwards, for you to be able to really show us and for you to be able to shine and show us what you are capable of. Now, obviously, we will consult with you about how we are going to do that following COVID guidelines. But we are planning for assessments to take place in some form or another from that week commencing the 8th of March. So with that in mind, Year 11, I want you to start preparing yourself for those assessments. And this weekend and over the course of the next couple of days, you will receive your independent study booklet that has been posted home to you. I've also put electronic copies of these on Microsoft Teams and on the website for you as well. But I want you to use this to guide your independent study ahead of these assessments. So there is a different page, like the one you're seeing on screen now. There is a different page for each of your subject areas, and it will list your key focus areas in that subject. I want you to ensure, Year 11, that you are preparing for those assessments week beginning the 8th of March by working through the list and making sure that you are comfortable and confident with those key focus areas that you will be assessed on. And that will, of course, be in planning your time accordingly, attending your live lessons, and using the revision tools that we have set up for you. So you've got the booklet that's been posted home and will be on Teams. Don't forget you've got those revision guides, you've got GCSE Pod, you've got a wealth of resources there to use. And please don't forget that retrieval practice guide. Now, at the end of the day, at the end of your live lessons, you could get that out, do yourself a couple of questions based on your learning from that day, and go back to them in a couple of days' time to really help build that learning and to really help you develop those effective revision techniques. Just a very quick reminder for those of you who have not yet submitted your applications, although a lot of you already have. The deadline for Cowley Sixth Form has been extended till the 12th of February. So if you still haven't got your application for Sixth Form in, please make sure that you've got that in by that deadline date. There's lots of information on the website for you if you need. And just a little note about Parents' Evening. The postponed Parents' Evening will now take place on Thursday, the 18th of March, and that will be from 4:30 till 7:30. Now, I want you to take a little minute, Year 11 as well, looking at some of the resources that we've put on the website for you for your well-being, to look after and continue to be healthy Cowleyans during this lockdown period. Miss Ify has posted a fantastic citizenship assembly on there for you. Please do take a look at that. It's got some really good tips about well-being and remaining healthy while you are in lockdown. And we've also posted on our social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and on our website, some information that has been shared from Booth. They have developed this great list of podcasts um, for lockdown this period, and they cover a wide range of topics about keeping safe, staying healthy, staying active, staying happy during the lockdown period. So please do have a look on the website and check those out. And do spend some time thinking about your mental health, your well-being, and trying to put some of those tips and strategies in place for you. So it just sort of leaves me year 11 to say thank you for all your contributions so far. Um, be prepared, get yourself organised and prepared for those next rounds of assessments that's coming up. And use our website, use the wellbeing resources to let's try and keep ourselves as healthy and active Paulians as we can during this lockdown period. Stay safe, look after each other, year 11, and we can't wait to see you soon.